Want a quick and easy way to merge multiple OST files without any data loss? Introducing SysTools OST Merge tool. To manage multiple OST files in a hassle-free way, just merge OST files into a single PST file. Key features of the software. Merge multiple OST files. Combine unlimited OST files into a single PST without losing data. Multiple OST file import options. Add OST files using Add Files, Add Folder, or Search File. 2 merge modes available. The tool offers Join option and Merge option. Set password protection. Secure the newly created PST file by applying a password during the merge process. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools OST Merge tool. Click the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the Download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. Once you launch the tool, you will be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. In this main interface, you have 3 ways to add OST files. Add files. You can select one or multiple OST files manually from your system. Add folder. Loads all OST files from a selected folder in one go. Search files. Automatically scans a specific drive or folder location to find OST files if you're not sure where they're saved. Select any one option to import OST file. Once you add OST files, they will appear in the file path list with their file location and size in KB. This helps confirm you've selected the right files before starting the merge or join process. If you added a wrong file by mistake, then you can delete the selected OST file from the list by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. The software provides 2 options for merging Outlook PST files into single one, such as Merge or Join options. Merge option merges similar folders from all selected OST files into a single PST file. Join option joins OST files by creating a new folder for each OST file inside the resultant PST file. After selecting the desired option, click Next to proceed. Under the options, you will find the Merge and New PST option. You can set a password by ticking the Set Password to PST box. Alternatively, you can tick Add PST to MS Outlook to automatically add the new PST file to Outlook after creation. Next, there is the Merge an Existing PST option, which allows you to merge OST files into an already existing PST file. In this case, only the Add PST to MS Outlook option will be available. Beside that, you will see the Merge an Outlook Profile option, which merges the OST files directly into an existing Outlook profile. If you choose to merge OST files into an existing PST or Outlook profile, Outlook must be installed and properly configured. Also, ensure that the OST files are healthy and not in use by any application during the merge process. The tool also provides a 4th option, Merge in Single Folder, which merges all OST file data into one single folder. Click the Change button to set your desired PST file destination path. Select the folder where you want to save resultant file. Then click OK. Now, click Next button. In the Filter section, under Select Item Types, choose the categories you want to merge: Mail, Calendar, Tasks, Contacts, Journal, or Notes. You can also specify date range as per your requirement. Click the Add button, then select the desired date range. First, choose the start date and end date to merge PST files containing data within that specific period. If needed, you can remove an added date range by clicking the Remove button. In the Advanced Options section, you can check the Split PST file size option to split large-sized PST files in MB or GB according to your requirements. You can skip sender emails by checking the Skip Sender Emails checkbox. Next, check the Exclude Deleted Items box, Exclude Junk Folder and Exclude Empty Folders option as per your needs. The software also provides advanced option of Skip Duplicate Items. Select Specify Criteria. Now select the required items from Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Notes, Task, and Journals and select its properties what you want to merge. After setting, click on Save button to save all settings. In the end, click on the Next button to start the merging Outlook OST files into single one process. As soon as the process begins, the detailed progress of the process is visible in the Merge pane with details such as OST file name, item count, duplicate items, current status, and destination path. You can see live progress status. After the process is completed, a prompt is shown displaying the OST files have been merged successfully. Click OK to proceed further. Click on Destination Path and you will direct open the merged OST file into PST. And that's it. That's how you can merge multiple Outlook OST files into one PST file. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.